Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I just got back from the mailbox, and I know what's in this, and I'd like to share it with you, but I'm kind of in a hurry, and I can't wait to open it. So here I am in my sit-around t-shirt and my hair mess, than usual. So this should be 4 dolls, and they have a purpose. Well, there's 4 sets of hands. Sure enough. All right. Oh, they're pretty. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Let's open. These are, I'm keeping 2, if not 3 of these dolls for myself. 2 are going to become clowns. Or so I hope. I am not great at face-ups, but I feel like I'm getting a little better. I'm learning more. And most of all, I'm having fun. We got these guys on sale. I don't think we paid $17 a piece for these girls. Let's look at their eyes. I love these Blythe dolls. Love, 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 love these Blythe dolls. These dolls, I like that matte face and I like the way it is, but this one is going to become a clown. And I might change some eye chips. I won't change them all, but I will change some. I don't know which ones. Isn't she cute? And oh, the articulation in these dolls is just incredible. So there's 2 of these, and then there's 2 of these. Now this one, I'm going to do, I think I'm doing 2 as a clown. I can't, quite honestly, you order these and then you wait and you wait. Actually, these came pretty quick, didn't they?
Yeah, they were.
But, you know, I forget whatever excuse it was I
Used
to buy them. I love the face plates. They come a very long way from China, and I'm glad they're protected. These are such pretty dolls. And the hair. I'm loving the hair, and that is really cute, the little, look at that hair. I just bought some teal color. This is kind of a sky blue. She'd be a beautiful, beautiful mermaid. Let's go ahead and open all of them. Aren't they cute? I wanted 4.
The lips are really defined, darker, different,
I like it.
stylized.
Yeah, I like it. So I got 2 of each because I have plans, and I might not be keeping them all, but I wanted at least 1 of each. I think I'm keeping 1 painted as a clown, 1 not, this one not, and then keeping that one. This one, I think, is going to be painted as a clown for someone else. Oh gosh, she is so cute. Look at that face. Aren't they just the cutest dolls? I am smitten with the Blythe dolls. I love, love, love that there's so much you can do with them. The face-ups, the clothing, the shoes, change the hands. I'm really having fun with them. I just wanted to share these with you real quick and let you know which direction I was going with them. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.